So for all those who think that it's a beautiful looking machine and all of that, but that's the amount of work that goes in. So we've been washing the motorcycle for the last 30 minutes or 40 minutes, and then we will do the polishing, the detailing. So basically there's a different polish for the chrome, for the paint, and also for the engine, which will take again another half an hour or 40 minutes or so. That's the amount of time that goes into the upkeep of that motorcycle to make sure it's looking spick and span and shiny and bright. Well, this isn't a ride vlog, but this is about the cleaning of the motorcycle vlog. So you see that motorcycle gleaming with the black and the chrome, but it's a fair bit of work that needs to go every once in a while to clean it. And so today I've decided to take off a couple of hours just to get the motorcycle shining again. So right now we're just kind of bathing it quite literally with some water and taking out all the dirt, all the grime with cloth, with a brush, and also for those crevices this toothbrush comes in handy. So a motorcycle is not just about riding it, it's also about keeping it clean. And especially when it comes to motorcycles like the Harley Fat Boy, there's so much chrome in it that you need to literally make some effort to keep it clean, and that's important. वो बड़ा ब्रश नहीं जाता है उसमें? बड़ा ब्रश
नहीं जाएगा, छोटा गैप है ना।
हाँ,
वो ब्रश से करना है, छोटा गैप है।
So that is Neeraj. Neeraj is the one who helps me keep my motorcycle and my vehicles clean. But every once in a while he needs some supervision just to ensure that things get done in the manner that they need to get done. Neeraj, वो toothbrush इस तरफ भी ले आना. ये थोड़ा जो रॉड है वो इससे कर सकता है. ये देखो, ये जो है ना ऐसे कर सकता है. So once the motorcycle is clean, then we will apply these various products. So this is the gloss detailer. This is for the paint work. So you basically spray it on it and you shine it really nice. This is the engine brightener. So there's plenty of black that you see on the motorcycle. So this basically helps that black not sparkle, but helps that black get blacker, if that makes any sense. So then the chrome glints much more against this black. And then we have, for the chrome, we have this wax. So this is the wax that gets applied on the chrome. So you got three different products for three different parts of the motorcycle. So you got the gloss detailer for the paint work, you've got the engine brightener for the engine part, which is basically cast iron, and then you have what they call the chrome clean and shine. So it basically cleans the chrome and also shines it. And of course you need all that cloth. And you got a cloth for the paint, you got a cloth for the chrome, and you've got something else for the engine. As you can see, there's massive work that goes into cleaning the motorcycle. So for all those who think that it's a beautiful looking machine and all of that, but that's the amount of work that goes in. So we've been washing the motorcycle for the last 30 minutes or 40 minutes. We're doing some deep cleaning of the motorcycle. So that itself is taken about 45 minutes. And then we will do the polishing, the detailing, which will take again another half an hour or 40 minutes or so. That's the amount of time that goes into the upkeep of that motorcycle to make sure it's looking spick and span and shiny and bright. So the motorcycle has been washed and is being dried now. So the next step is the detailing. So we'll begin first with the paint. So we'll go with the gloss detailer. So we will go over the painted areas of the motorcycle, which is basically the mud guards. You have the tank, and you have the rear mud guard. So that's the painted area of the motorcycle, which is where we will use this. So the products that I'm using to clean and detail the motorcycle are Harley Davidson products. These are products that you pick up at the Harley dealer network. So we've done the detailing on the paint work. Now it's time to get some wax on the chrome. So this is the wax that you use. So again, this is the Harley Davidson Chrome Clean and Shine product. So this basically goes to the chrome areas of the motorcycle. Well, this is the sort of work that needs a lot of patience. And I guess if you're not riding the motorcycle, you really don't enjoy this process. You want to make sure it's gleaming. Also, it's a bit of a challenge to get into all these crevices of the motorcycle. Basically, do the best that you can. So you want to get to as much of the chrome as is physically possible, including the badging, the Harley Davidson. You want that to really shine. So the wax detailing is over, the chrome detailing with that wax is over. So the last stage is to take care of these parts of the engine, the black parts. And so we have a spray called an engine brightener. I haven't used it in a fairly long time. I hope it still does its job. So this is the chrome, so you don't need anything for the chrome, but you need it for the black part of that engine. So you won't see rust on this motorcycle except for some of these nuts, which is where the water settles down when the chap is cleaning. When the guy cleans, and if you don't remove that water, that's really where you get the rust. So always important to dry the motorcycle well once you've cleaned it. ये देखो नट में जो पानी है वो निकालना है, वो देखो रस्ट हो जाता है पानी बैठने के बाद. So I hope you found this motor vlog interesting. No motorcycling, but plenty of cleaning, shining and detailing. Well, I'm certainly happy because I can see a sparkling motorcycle there. I love the gleam of the black and the chrome and the leather there. So that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one. I'll close this with a montage of the cleaned motorcycle. See you.